Yes, good morning. So today we will have our paralegal work to lawyers and judges. So now the same settings you as you are watching this video will be the person who seeks for legal help, and I will be the one who is assigned as a paralegal to get the facts of your case, and I will give it to the lawyer. Then the lawyer will write in the paper the lawyer that will help you to the court. So now we will tackle Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002. So, and illegal possession of firearms. So we will we will chunk it. So first, uh, Dangerous Drugs Act. So if, for example, your relative has been caught flagrante delicto of the illegal drugs, then it is punishable under special law. So since it is special law, it is not in revised penal code, and it is bala prohibita. So in that case, your only uh, escape of passage in the court is the three link. So first, if if your relative was caught in your house with media practitioner and officers of the barangay, or if there is no media practitioner from the DOJ, and together with the non-ninja cops. So if that first link was blank already, then your relative can be acquitted in court. Second link, the transportation of evidence. If the non-ninja cops are uh, didn't transport well the evidence, let's say the get some, let's say, point point 1 G. They got 1.1 G to taste it if it is real shabu. So the weight from the corpus delicti going to the crime lab will be different. So because it needs to be transferred to crime laboratory so that the chemist will check it if it is uh, genuine shabu or quasi genuine shabu. So in that link, if it is steel plank, then your the acquittal of your relative will be high percentage already. But otherwise, the 1/5 of your relative will be in the 5 foot deep of the ground already. So lastly, the third link, if your if the judges, the third link, in the third link, first there must be a DOJ. Second, there must be a transfer of the item must be well oiled, and third, the court must determine it. So let's jump the third link. So we will go to illegal possession of firearms. So in illegal possession of firearms, so if you are caught or your relative is caught in flagrante delicto, then uh, it will be determined if it is high powered or low powered firearm, or it can be an undetermined gun. So again, illegal possession of firearm is a crime that is under special law. So the same if the authorities uh, caught you with improper system, improper warrant of arrest, uh, probable cause, without probable cause, or uh, without search and seizure, or it is against the stop and frisk, then your relative can be still acquitted. Otherwise, your relative will be spoiled or incarcerated in the penal ground of the Philippines. So that's it. So in the next few days, we will uh, filter it, illegal possession of firearms and illegal drugs of 2002. So that's it. Thank you. Good day and God bless.